Absolutely. And we don't know what's out there. We don't know if or what
I
is
would
out there.
I would like to know. I think that's the one thing is I would like to know, but also I think it would startle me because I'm
It would
like,
startle me too, but like
mm,
I also think how could there not be anything else out there? And I know we've
there's
talked
too
about this
much,
before, but it's
too
just
much.
it's just so
I
interesting to
mean,
me.
and the craziest part about that is that's just in our universe.
Yep.
Do you know how many universes surround us? 5 times the size of our universe.
That's insane.
So it means there's 5 times more opportunities for suns,
Yeah.
5 more times opportunities for Earth-like planets.
Yep.
Or just 5 times more the opportunities for planets that could host life that could be like, oh, look at these little ants.
Like being able to see the moons of the other planets, like the moons of Jupiter, which they say could have potentially like massive oceans on them under the ice
Yeah, it was
water.
like Europa or something like
Yeah,
that. Right?
like Europa, and then I don't know how to say the other one that was like the moon of Saturn that I heard about. But I just think it's fascinating to know that like our technology is getting good enough to be able to actually see what's in our own galaxy
Well,
and
I mean,
explore that
we're
further.
making these telescopes now that can not only detect images, but they can also detect, you know, chemical, makeup
Yeah.
of atmospheres and stuff like that.
But
Oh
you
no,
know what's fascinating though is like they say the oceans on those moons contain more water than Earth's oceans combined. Like, and there could be blah blah. I can't speak tonight.
uh-huh.
Microbial life there, which is just like fascinating to me. There could actually be like the start of something underneath the
So,
ice.
so let me ask you this because some people go back and forth about this. Do you consider microbial life alien life, or is it too small to be considered alien, even though it's on another planet?
I mean, if it's at that level, I don't know.
I mean, you're really playing with like I said, I think if it's not here, it's considered alien life.
Well,
Whether
yeah, if
whether
it's
whether it's
I guess
bacteria
that
because it's
it
not
is
earthbound.
alien.